Nice quick video of the Apollo RFZ X15. They got the minis on. I'm gonna change them soon. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to change the stator. It's real easy. Quick and easy for you guys. No wasting time. Everyone likes to waste time in videos. I'll make it straight to it. Okay. You got your cover. You got the shifter. Take the shifter off if you don't want any issues during this whole thing. Okay. Drain your oil. Second. Third, take the cap off. Begin the process. Alrighty. The cap's off. Here's the magneto. It's a 14mm bolt. I use the impact. Easy. Hit it with the impact. Take it off. Underneath that, is your magneto. So cap, magneto. After the magneto, here you go. Bingo. It was actually 2 8mm, 1 and then 2, and then obviously where this mechanism was connected to there. So just give you an idea. Basically that was sitting on there. Take that off. There's gonna be a wire that runs through, zip tied, connected. And then it's gonna actually be connected to this. So this. Boom, get that out the way. Shout out to Red Cable for the magneto.
It's cool. It's totally cool. This is not ideal.
This is the other version. It's gonna look different than the other one. I'm gonna give it a shot. Send you guys a video. Probably upload one when I finish. Anyways, after that, you get that out the way. You want to get, there's 2 screw heads. Be very careful because I did strip one and it was a struggle to get it out. After you're done, the cap comes straight out. Pop the new magneto on. Put them up there. Make sure it's flush in there. Your oil will spill out this motherfucker. Oh, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. I'm pretty confident that this is where it needs to be. The process of exactly what I showed you guys, how to take it off and put it all back on. So you're gonna bolt everything back in, make sure everything's good there, connect the wire, and then put the magneto, properly tighten the 14, start the bike. Good luck.